Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Civic screen, full guide. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts, then remove surrounding trim panels carefully using plastic trim tools to avoid scratches. Next, unscrew mounting bolts and gently unplug connectors from the head unit, keeping track of each fastener. Inspect connectors and replace the screen, then reassemble in reverse order while testing functions as you go to confirm success. Start by prying off the trim panels around the radio using a plastic trim tool to avoid damage, working methodically from one side to the other. Remove any visible screws securing the head unit and keep them with the corresponding trim pieces so you don't mix parts. Carefully unplug wiring harnesses and antenna cables, using a photo reference to remember each connector's location so reassembly is fast and error-free. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and quicker guides like this one. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker seen here as a handy companion for music and voice control while you work, and check the description for the link and other deals to grab one or compare options. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the replacement screen into the dash opening and loosely install mounting bolts so you can make minor adjustments for proper alignment before tightening. Reconnect the wiring harnesses and any antenna or amplifier leads, then reconnect the battery briefly to power the unit and test touchscreen, audio, and camera functions. If everything works, disconnect power, tighten bolts to manufacturer torque, and reinstall trim panels carefully to complete the professional-looking installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.